how to compare date and time objects. So there might be times where you want to compare two or more dates or two or more times. So for that, we first use the module date time. So we import it. Write the dt1 variable as datetime.date.today. dt2 as datetime.date, and we give a date. We'll specify a date within the brackets. So it will be 2018 12/12. So now when we print this, we can print three cases. First case is dt1 is greater than dt2. So to compare both the dates, we just write dt1 greater than dt2 with the relational operator. Next, we will find if dt2 is less than dt1 is less than dt2. So for that, we again use dt1 less than operator and then dt2. After that, we find out if these both dates are equal. So for that, we write dt1 is equal to dt2. So when we print this value, we get dt1 is greater than dt2, and so that returns true, and the remaining two return false. Similarly, we'll do for time. So first we'll create an object date time, and we will save the current date time, and then t1 will be equal to date time dot time attribute, and t2 will be date time dot time, and we specify a value of our own, so 10 44 34, and then we print this value. Then we print both of these values, and we can find out if t1 is greater than t2. That's our first case. T1 is less than t2, second case, and the third case is t1 is equal to t2. So we can print the results now. And we run this code. So when we run this code, we get the result. So t1 is greater than t2 because it has returned true over there, and the remaining two are false. So this is how you compare time and date objects in Python.